The sky, usually a dense gray, had turned pitch black, occasionally illuminated by lightning bolts that shredded visibility. The wind screamed at over 60 knots, slamming into waves as high as a 3-story building that crashed against the steel hull of the 200-ton ship, making it shudder. On the deck, slick with a layer of ice and freezing seawater, Captain Bjorn and his 6 crew members clung tightly to the safety lines. Their breaths formed white clouds in the bone-chilling air, penetrating their balaclavas and stormproof rain gear. This was no ordinary expedition, this was the hunt for Alaskan king crab in the fiercest season, where the price of each catch was matched by the risk to their very lives. With shouted orders almost lost in the storm, the winch roared as it hauled the first giant iron pot or trap from the raging sea. The process was slow and tense, as the massive waves tried to reclaim their prize. As the trap broke the surface, seawater gushed from its iron bars, carrying with it the large, spiny-clawed king crabs. The sharp, briny smell of the sea assaulted them instantly. The crew had to move quickly and with precision, releasing the catch, discarding small fish and undersized crabs, and collecting the kings into the live holding tanks. Their hands, wrapped in thick gloves, could still be cut by the hard shells or crushed by claws with bone-shattering strength. All this was done while constantly maintaining balance on the wildly rocking deck, with icy water continuously crashing over them. Suddenly, a monster wave, larger than the others, struck the Northern Fury on the starboard side. The ship listed drastically, causing several unsecured empty traps to slide across the deck, slamming into the safety rails with a terrifying clang of metal. One of the crew, Ole, was nearly thrown into the dark, churning sea before being saved by his taut safety harness. A raspy warning sounded over the radio, announcing the deteriorating storm conditions. Captain Bjorn stood firm in the wheelhouse, his eyes sharply focused on the radar and windows constantly washed by seawater. A dilemma presented itself: continue fishing at this spot clearly abundant with crab, but with increasing mortal danger, or retreat and lose the catch that could cover the expedition's costs. With a clenched jaw, he decided to lower one last pot, the heaviest one, into a location his instincts told him was the hiding place of the king. Hauling that last pot up was like pulling a demon from the seabed. The winch groaned, the steel cable humming with tension. When it finally emerged, the entire crew let out a victorious shout, swallowed by the howling wind. The trap was packed with fantastically large male king crabs, their orange-red shells a stark contrast to the surrounding darkness. A surge of gratitude and triumph welled up, if only for a moment.